Hi everyone! In today's video I'm taking you guys shopping with me to Dior. There were a few items from the new collection that I was very curious to try on, and I did end up picking something up. It wasn't exactly what I thought it would be, but it was from the same category, so I'm very happy with my purchase. But now let's cut to the vlog part of the video and then I'll show you what I Okay guys, and now let me show you what I got. By the way, this bag is huge. I don't think that it would even fit like the whole screen. It's either me or the bag. It is that big. And when I was carrying it on the street, I literally felt like a walking Dior ad. But anyway, let's try to unbox it. Okay, so here we have the box, and the box does fit in the screen. Let's open it. Okay, so we have a little pouch and authenticity card, I'm guessing, and 2 dust bags. And you know what that means. It is a pair of shoes. Okay guys, are you ready for the reveal? It is the Diorcamp boots in black, but they are not just plain black, because they have the Dior oblique monogram debossed all over the boots. This is not a new style for Dior, because they have done these before in the previous seasons in plain black, plain white, and I believe also plain khaki. And this is a new version that they did for this season. They basically debossed the Dior print on these boots in white and in black as well. Okay, so here is the boot in all its glory. It is basically a rubber combat boot. I don't know if that makes sense, because when I say it out loud, it kind of sounds weird, but Dior has made it make sense, because these boots are absolutely gorgeous. I love that they have a little bit of chunk in the sole. The quality, considering that these are rubber boots, the quality is incredible. They also have the star, the typical Dior star at the bottom of the sole. And similarly to the other Diorcamp boots, they also have Christian Dior Paris written on the side of the boot, and the CD and the little bug at the bottom of the boot. So I had seen these boots online, but I never thought about buying them because they are made of rubber. I mean, honestly, how much can they charge me for rubber boots? And the price of these is 990 euros. And these are rubber boots. So I never ever thought I would buy these boots. Even though I have always liked the style, I never thought that I would actually buy 1,000 euro rubber boots. But when I saw them in real life and when I tried them on, I completely changed my mind. And then I started thinking, you know, how much money I have spent on nylon luxury designer items, on canvas luxury designer items. So I thought to myself, if I am going to be wearing these as often as my leather boots, like, why shouldn't I get them? If I'm going to love them and wear them and have fun styling them, why should I not get them? Should I only not get them because they're made of rubber? No. So I decided to go for it. I don't know, it may be a regret after 10 years, but this is a very classic style, and I don't think that a boot like this would ever go out of fashion. Yes, they are made of rubber. I have no clue on what the wear and tear over time is going to be, so it is a bit of a gamble, you know, but I mean, let's see how it goes, because right now I'm just so excited to have them, because I have so many outfits that I feel like will look incredible with these boots. And you know what? At the end, it was actually the fact that they're made of rubber that convinced me to buy these boots. And let me tell you why. When you want to protect your feet from water and at the same time you don't want to damage your shoes and still look cute, I mean, it doesn't get any better than this, really. So yeah, and another thing is that these are so comfortable. These are officially the most comfortable designer boots that I have ever owned, and comfort to me is a very, very big deal. Oh, and one last thing, I got these in a size 40, which is my usual size. I am usually a size 40 at most high street brands like H&M, Zara, and most luxury brands, Dior included. So I believe that these are true to size. Okay guys, so that's it for my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope that you found it useful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do love talking about fashion. So let's stay in touch and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, stay safe.